So this is the story of how a media company saved 10 hours per week with a simple smart inbox automation. We've worked with All Island Media, the company behind the JEP and Bailiwick Express, on a number of web and AI projects. Then one day they came to us with a new problem. They receive a constant stream of emails and voicemail queries across their various media brands, things including subscription inquiries, customer payment problems, and support requests for their app and other online services. A lot of these inquiries are repetitive, but until recently, every single one still required a human to read it, interpret it, and either respond or forward it on. Then one of their team members left. Instead of simply replacing the role, AIM asked a much bigger question. Is there a smarter way to handle all this without adding another person to the team? So the solution, we helped AIM, All Island Media, design and build a custom workflow that connects directly into their inquiries inbox within Outlook. We called this AI agent Clara, and her job was to read incoming emails, analyze what the messages were about, decide whether to respond, to route the message, or to escalate, and then pull answers from a structured, knowledge-based document and, if permitted, reply in a consistent, professional tone. She also supports voicemail by automatically transcribing the audio into text. Now, Clara only handles messages she's permitted to handle. Anything sensitive, complex, unusual, or urgent goes straight to a human. And this is all in the control of the AIM team to configure Clara as they seem fit. Behind the scenes, everything is logged and measured, giving AIM full visibility into how much work Clara is taking off their hands. The results, after going live, the return on investment was quite clear to us. Clara now handles over half of all incoming inquiries, with AIM saving around 10 hours each week, and service quality has improved, not declined. Response times are faster and more consistent. Moments of high volume inquiries are no longer stressful like they were before. And of course, All Island Media avoided the cost of hiring a new employee. Their experience highlights something we see constantly here at Blue Llama. Digital transformation doesn't need to be big, expensive, or dramatic. Sometimes the biggest gains come from fixing one workflow but quietly drains hours every week. You don't need to change your tech stack. You don't need to have a huge project. You don't need to adopt AI in some really abstract way. You just need to redesign how work flows through your business using tools that amplify your team instead of burdening them. If your inquiries inbox is full, if your support messages are piling up, or if you're considering hiring someone just to keep up with admin, there might be a much smarter path. What we did with All Island Media is entirely achievable for your business too. Now, AI won't replace your team, but it can absolutely replace the hours they spend on low-value admin. And that is where transformation truly begins.